So I just finished a members only live stream. Yeah, what's up everybody? But at the start I was using my MacBook Pro 2023 FaceTime camera, and this is it right now, and it's just kind of like, bleh, not that good. But then I decided to plug in my Pocket 3 and use it as a webcam, and wow. Holy crap, that looks good. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's amazing. I mean, this is it right now. I'm actually recording this as a webcam. Maybe it's not as good as the Insta360 Link or the OBSBot 4K Tiny, but if you have the Pocket 3 and you want to use it as a webcam, it's pretty impressive. But there's more, so let me tell you all about it.
Mr. Black.
By the way, welcome to the channel. My name is Danny Black. I love to share with you cool gear that comes my way. If you're new here, don't be a stranger. And especially this time of month, you want to stay tuned to this channel because I have a lot of giveaways and Black Friday deals and all of that stuff. So I may even be giving away a Pocket 3 very soon. So make sure you stay tuned to this channel. You can ding the bell if you want to. I'll also put links to everything down in the description so you can find it down there, plus a surprise link. So yeah, the Pocket 3 is a webcam. This is it. This is what you get. You can access it by plugging it directly into your computer, and then you get a prompt up there, and then you click webcam, and that's it. No other software, nothing else you need to download. It shows up as a video source on like all of the programs that you can use, like Zoom and Skype and OBS and all of that stuff. And then you triple tap that joystick to go into selfie mode, and I have it on auto track, so it's gonna automatically track me, which is really cool, really good. I like that a lot. And even better is that you can reframe that tracking. So if you want to like make it a little bit lower, or you want to put yourself on one side of the screen, that way if like you wanted to be able to show your computer at the same time, I can just be like talking and like, yeah, it's tracking me. So if I can go back over here and then come back. You can also tap the screen to focus. So if I want to focus on my hand, I can tap on my hand, it'll focus on my hand, and then tap back on my face. You can also even change it from single focus to continuous focus to that product showcase. You can make some adjustments on the exposure and white balance, and you can really fine tune it and make it look really good. And you can do that on the fly while you're in webcam mode. You can even adjust the sharpness and noise reduction depending on how much light you have in, but having that 1-inch sensor on the Pocket 3 just makes it so perfect for a webcam because it brings in so much more light and just makes it look sharp even if it's in low light conditions like right now. But another really cool feature is that you could tap the little zoom button here, and then you can zoom all the way up to 4 times. That's right, in 1080p we can go all the way up to 4 times, and this is a really slow dramatic zoom, but this is kind of funny. And it still tracks me. Let's keep going further back. How good is that? And you know what? If you didn't even know about the 4 times zoom, make sure you hit this button right there. Give this video a like. Now, something to note is that you can't actually use this as an audio source as well. It just works as a video. So if you have the DJI wireless microphone with it, or even if you have it plugged into anything, or even the onboard mics, it won't work that way. So you will need like an extra microphone or your computer microphones or something like that if you want to be able to be heard. You can also go into the menu and adjust the follow speed and adjust your brightness. And you can even record directly on to your SD card, but it is only in 1080p, 30 frames per second. And well, that's basically it. So really the point of this video is to show you what it looks like in webcam mode and to tell you what it can and can't do. But to me, this is great. I want to use this as a webcam all the time. And if you'd like to see more about it, you can always join the weekly member streams that we have on this channel. Click the join button and just be part of the conversation. We talk about anything and everything, and it's pretty fun. But yeah, just another reason to love this little camera. It has been a blast to play with, and I do have some more cool tips and tricks videos coming out on it. But other than that, stay tuned. Watch this video right here if you want to see what's happening with the giveaway for the Danny Black Friday event. You got to check that out. I mean, you can win some really good prizes. So check that out and stay tuned, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Mr. Black.
Can we call you Uncle Blackie?
No.